DDR5 burst onto the scene in 2020, shaking up the RAM game like never before. This advanced technology was heralded for its superior capabilities, positioning itself to lead the way and outshine its predecessors. But what's the hype all about? Speed? Efficiency perhaps? Can it skyrocket your FPS or turn you into a warzone sharpshooter? Well, let's be real, no amount of RAM magic will help if you're a bit trash. But hey, buckle up, because we're diving into this face-off anyway. DDR5 speed revolution is akin to upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Picture your data propelling through the system like an SRT charger, leaving DDR4 envious. While DDR4 maxed out at 5000 MHz, new gen can soar to an impressive 8400 MHz. This technology, though not entirely new, is evolving daily, and its development suggests even higher speeds in the future. Contrary to the common trend with new GPUs, which often grow bigger and heavier, akin to the progression of CPUs, the same doesn't hold for RAM. Reflecting on the evolution from the initial 775 to the current LGA 1700 sockets, RAM has not followed the same trajectory of becoming bulkier and power-hungry. In fact, DDR5 operates at a lower voltage of 1.1 V compared to DDR4's 1.2 V. This lower voltage not only reduces heat production but also eliminates the need for larger heat sinks, making it a more manageable and efficient choice. It would be fantastic if upgrading to the new Dominator RAMs was a breeze, but here's the kicker, it comes with a headache. Upgrading to DDR5 means not just getting new RAM, but also investing in a motherboard makeover. AMD decided to roll with DDR5 on their new AM5 socket. As for Intel, their latest gen CPUs can handle both DDR4 and DDR5, but there's a catch. You'll need different motherboards for each type, because they don't have compatible slots. No mixing and matching here. So, if DDR5's calling your name, just know it might cost a bit more. Get ready to open up that wallet a bit wider, it's all part of the tech upgrade game. So, is it worth upgrading from DDR4 to DDR5? Well, it really depends on your PC needs. If you're a light user and an average gamer, you might not see significant improvements, and here's why. RAM latency, or the time it takes for RAM to respond to a CPU request, plays a pivotal role in gaming performance. Lower latency means faster data processing, translating to smoother gameplay. However, the real-world impact can vary depending on the specific game and system configuration. While higher megahertz RAM may come with increased latency, the overall performance benefit hinges on factors like the CPU, GPU, and the game's demands. But, in general, DDR4, with its low latency, can keep up in most titles. Now, let's put this theory into practice to help you understand and gauge how high megahertz DDR5 RAM will perform in games compared to regular DDR4. In this particular gameplay, the difference isn't substantial. However, in other games like Forza Horizon 5 and several others, the frame rate can increase by the 5th of October, or even 15 frames per second if DDR5 is over 6000 MHz. But in the context of this game, the type of memory doesn't seem to have a significant impact. In terms of rendering performance, one test found a slight reduction in video rendering times with DDR5, but the difference was not major. Another study found that memory frequency had no significant effect on rendering performance. In gaming, DDR5 has been found to offer improved performance at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, but the performance becomes more GPU-bound at 4K. While you're enjoying games with almost the same FPS, keep an eye on RAM prices, they've been steadily declining, as evident in this 18-month chart. Every passing day presents a better chance to snag them at a good deal. On the flip side, if you're a newcomer with a solid budget, I highly recommend opting for DDR5 RAM after securing a quality PSU. Don't cut corners on the power supply, that's just a rookie move. Think twice before making your decision and share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech updates. Happy gaming!